Hey everybody, I thought I'd do a quick recording on how to upload a graded assignment. If you are confused about how to do this, I'm going to take this away. All right, so let's first, this is your science like landing page. This is your home page. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to content. All right. First thing you want to do is 1.03 is where the graded assignment is. You should have figured that out either through class or your plan or your graded, your assignment checklist. So your graded assignment is right here. Okay. The document is here. You simply get it by clicking. It will, here, let me see if I can pull this over here. It will pop up over here in the corner. You just click that and it will open it up again in Word. Give me 1 second. I'm going to pull this over here. All right, so it's going to open it up in Word. All right, and as you see here, you got to click Enable Editing. All right. Then what you would do is just put your cursor in one of the boxes and you would start typing your information in here and then here, excuse me, and then in here. You'll probably want to use the insert picture. You can do online pictures. That way you can search and do this all at once. We did go over this in class, so let's just say atmosphere. If you do a search for atmosphere, what does it come up with? And then you can just download one of these pictures. It may upload kind of big, so you can drag and make it smaller. Just make sure your cursor's in that box that you want the picture to be uploaded in, okay? All right, so let's say you finish this. I'm going to show you. You're going to hit File, Save As. You want to look for your, let's say you have a science folder on your desktop. I'm just going to save it to my desktop, but you should have a science folder. Go ahead and click Save. And then you're going to exit out. All right. Go back to your graded assignment little tab here. Click it. Once you click it, let me move this. There is a submissions box. All right. Go to Upload. And then you will go and look for that document. Mine is saved on my desktop. Here it is here, 1.03 graded assignment. All right. Once it uploads like that, you will, you can put some things in the comment box like, I had trouble with this. Hi, Mrs. Danaker. This was fun. Whatever you want to type. You don't have to type anything if you don't want. And then you're going to click the submit box. Okay. And then it says, well done. You have completed the assignment. All right, it says submitted successfully. Once you see that, I will have received your assignment. If you have further questions about how to do this, you can come and see me in office hours. You can ask me in class or you can send me an email. I would prefer office hours. So please make sure you ask questions if you don't know. All right, good luck. I hope you do well.